Altcoin movement in this week. I will feature an in-depth analysis. Welcome to the Crypto Future newsletter, a place for people who want to better navigate the crypto markets with the help of cutting-edge crypto research and unbiased market analysis. In today's altcoin newsletter, I cover 8 different altcoins, specifically Elrond, Theta token, Thorchain, Polkadot, Digibyte, Lido DAO, Loopring, Travala, Elrond, EGLD. EGLD is consolidating inside the black-green range, recently deviating below the black range low last month. EGLD monthly closed above the black range low to start the process of recovering the black level as support. This month, EGLD dipped towards the black level but not actually touching it. And so while retesting movement took place, a picture-perfect retest didn't occur. Does that mean that one could still occur, given how the retest wasn't clean? There will always be room for a proper retesting motion. Over time, EGLD could revisit the green highs as part of its consolidation. But dipping into the black level as part of that consolidation remains a possibility also. Theta token, Theta. Theta has consolidated inside the red range for a few months now and has recently broken out decisively. As a result, a retest attempt may come soon if such a dip needs to take place. A dip like that would be technically healthy, and upon successful retest, Theta would have the fuel to ascend via the blue path towards the psychological resistance of $2, especially since there is virtually no resistance ahead. Theta also has little resistance inside the blue-green range. But for Theta to enjoy levitation within that range, Theta would need to weekly close above blue in order to follow the orange path. Thorchain, RUNE. RUNE has broken out from its ascending triangle on the weekly time frame, having successfully retested the top of it a few weeks ago. On the daily time frame, things look like this. RUNE is trying to retest a daily trend line as support. So far successful somewhat, though no follow-through just yet. Generally, staying above the red ascending triangle top is what biases RUNE for a move to the green region above, which was once a strong support and may later be a strong resistance. Digibyte, DGB. After a minus 95% retrace, DGB has rebounded from the orange region. Is minus 95% enough of a retrace? One would be tempted to say that it is, seeing as most bear market retraces see downside of minus 95% to minus 99%. But DGB has shown in the previous bear market that DGB can retrace much lower than minus 95%, much like it did towards the green level. So DGB is inside an orange-blue range, with the blue region requiring a weekly close inside the box to confirm further upside into the blue-red range. But until that sort of upside confirmation is in, DGB will continue to remain inside the blue-orange range, and losing it over time could be a possibility should history indeed repeat itself. Polkadot, DOT has rallied over plus 30% since touching the red level, which is the very top of the blue pool of liquidity. In previous newsletters featuring DOT, I wondered whether merely grazing such an area of historical demand was sufficient for a full-blown macro reversal. It probably isn't, but in the meantime some relief is welcome, especially since it comes after some 8 weeks or so of constant downside. In any case, DOT needs to weekly close inside the green-blue range in order to enjoy some reaccumulation at highs before attacking higher levels via the green path. Until then, DOT is inside an orange-green range, and dipping into the orange range low isn't out of the question upon rejection here. Lido DAO, Lido. The blue regions are order blocks, clustered regions of historical support and resistance. This local blue region has figured as resistance in February and late Q2 2021. For price to break beyond this local blue region, Lido has had to successfully retest the bottom of this area as support, this way enabling solidification of the region as support and enabling a move up to the red resistance above. Lido experienced a clean retest like this earlier this year and a more volatile retest in May 2021. At the moment, Lido is showcasing signs of yet another successful retest here, and so further price stability here would be good confirmation for Lido preparing itself for upside within what is essentially the blue-red range via the black pathway. Loopring, LRC. As a preface to today's analysis, here is the analysis from late July. And here's an update. LRC has been able to solidify its positioning at the blue range low support, and by the same token been able to reclaim the macro trend line as support also. In doing so, LRC has formed a higher low last month and a higher low this month as well, essentially building on the momentum that the diamond-shaped bottom has hinted to us a few weeks ago. As long as this orange higher low holds, the direction for LRC will continue to remain up. especially since LRC is inside the blue range, and so consolidation within this range is occurring. In mid-2021, this range-bound movement was much more volatile, whereas this time there appears to be a more gradual feel to price action as it performs similar range-bound behavior. Travala, AVA. AVA showcases a complicated chart. In early 2022, AVA performed an upside deviation beyond the blue resistance, faking out FOMO buyers. And over the past couple of months, AVA performed a downside deviation beyond blue support, faking out panic sellers. This is a coin that I'd refrain from trading simply because of its unreliability in terms of technical price action. It's very difficult to trade this on confirmation and makes one more skeptical and risk-averse in approaching the chart. That being said, AVA is consolidating inside its blue macro range, with the orange level representing the midpoint of the range. If AVA is able to successfully retest the orange region as support in a clean manner, then AVA would confirm a rebound towards the blue range high once again. Lose orange, however, and I'd look at the black higher low to see if bullside momentum will be generated there. After a -93% retrace, such a higher low holding would indicate whether a bottoming out process is beginning or not. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe, as we put out daily content to keep you up to date on the current marketing news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.